How to find meme coins on Dextools. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can find meme coins on Dextools. So let's get started. You must be seeing newly launched coins such as skyrockets, some jumping 10,000% in the last 24 hours and others climbing a staggering 53,000%. So the potential in meme coins right now is undeniable, and in 2021 the narrative role for the bull run revolves around NFTs, and for 2024 it's all about meme coins. So this is the perfect time to understand how to effectively trade meme coins, master the strategies needed, and utilize the right platforms. You also need to learn how to avoid scams and navigate this volatile market. In this video, I'll break down how you can use Dextools to discover the next 100x meme coin. So don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment and turn on notification. So the first step is heading over to Dextools. This platform provides detailed listings for every meme coin and token across various blockchain using the all chains options. You can filter tokens by networks like Solana, Base, or others. For example, here on Solana network, for instance, there's a token that has already climbed 8,000% in just one day. So you can also check the daily gainers and daily losers over here in order to know what meme coin is doing good and what meme coin is stagnating in the market right now. So when you scroll down, you'll be able to see other stuff like a couple of meme coins over here, and there are different options regarding the meme coins. Now over here you can see there are price ranges, so you can check what is the price of a specific meme coin and you can just check them over here, and there are also percentage 24 hours, so it tells the price variation in the last 24 hours, so you can see the price variation over here. Then we have the Dex score, so it is basically Dextools reliability scores, and this tells you out of 100 and it tells whether how good your meme coin is performing according to Dextools right now. And after that, we have audits over here. You can give it a look. And then we have create. So this is the time when the meme coin was created. Like you can see, this was created 4 days ago and its X score is very good. That means the meme coin is doing really good. And after that, we have volume. So it is basically the sum of total amount of all transactions. So it is the sum of all the transactions that has occurred since the creation of the meme coin. And then we have swaps. This is the number of swaps performed since the creation of meme coins. And then we have volatility. So it tells the volume of 24 hours divided by liquidity. So liquidity is basically total pool liquidity. And here we have the market cap. And then we over here have the Dex. So here you can see that all the meme coins are belonging to Radium Solana, and some are from Meteor Solana, so it just depends on you. You must have pure crypto knowledge in order to know this. And after that, we have other stuff over here, and you can just see the actions, what you want to perform with the specific meme coin, whether you want to fave them or not. And when you click on a specific meme coin, you'll be landed over to this page, and here you'll be able to see some key features over here. And for each token, you can view essential details such as trading volume, transaction count, liquidity, and market cap. For example, a project with $6,000 in volume and 74 trades within 24 hours is much less active than $5 million in volume and 18,000 trades. Liquidity matters too. It shows the total pool available for trading, which can influence how smoothly trades are executed. And market cap is another critical piece of information. A token with $1.85 million market cap will need to double that figure to achieve a 2x price increase, circulating supply, and exchanging hosting the token, such as Radium, which is from Solana Network, PancakeSwap, which is from Binance Smart Chain, or Uniswap, which is from Base Network, are also displayed. And just like I told you earlier, that one key feature is the Dextools reliability score, and this score out of 100 is based on metrics like project data, transaction history, liquidity, and contract creation date. A score above 80 is generally promising, but cross-referencing with other tools is a must. So there are other options such as Honeypot, which is whether the token is a honeypot, which means that the token maybe cannot be sold because of the token contracts function, or the token contains malicious code. So you can just give it a look. And then we have buy text, and this is text when buying a meme coin, and sell text when you wish to sell text. So here we have community trust. So here you can see that the score is 1:1. That means the number of people who like the meme coins is equal to the number of people who didn't like it. So it's just basically normal, and you can just give it a look. And then we have trade history over here, and you can check all of the trades being made on the specific meme coins. And then we have positions which will be unlocked when you linked a wallet with your Dextools account. And after that, we have the top traders. You can see all of the top traders on Dextools right now, and you can just see them displayed over here and see what they're doing in order for you to become one of the top traders as well. And after that, we have liquidity, so you can see all of the liquidity of the specific meme coins right now. And after liquidity, we'll have holders, so you can see all of this holders of the meme coins. Here you can see that the holders graph is displayed over here, and you can just give it a look according to your own choice, and you need to have a prior crypto knowledge in order to know these. And then we have the price alerts, which is basically what is it like, how much is one truth, and just apply price alerts according to a specific meme coin. So it depends on the specific meme coin that you wish to buy or sell. So after that, you can see that there are options such as hot pairs. So all of the hot pairs in the Dextools or in the market right now would be displayed. And then over here you can see that the nitro, you can just see that which meme coin is doing very good in the market right now by going to the token race. And then we have the new ones, so you can see all of the new tokens over here. And after that, we have the upcoming pools, the tokens or the meme coins or the pools liquidity that are meant to come in future would be displayed over here, so you can just have a look on them earlier. And then we have exchanges. You can just look at the exchanges rates and what meme coins offer exchanges. And then we have liquidity unlocks, that what is like, you can see it right now, there's no result found, but if there are some meme coins with specific liquidity unlocks, you'll be able to see them here. And then we have the token unlocks. Now you can see that this token has 8 hours 40 minutes left to unlock. And then we have live new pairs. You'll be able to see all of the new pairs of meme coins that are added to the market right now. So this is basically going live right now, and as soon as a new meme coin gets added into Dextools, would be displayed over here. Now you can see over here it is updated at 5:22. So this basically, you can just see all of the live tokens right now. So you can just have a look what is going on in Dextools right now. And then we have the multi-chart. So what basically it does is that you can just see multiple charts over here of multiple meme coins in order for you to know the differences among them. So instead of going and searching for the specific meme coin again and again, you can just put that down in the multiple chart section. Note that you can only add 10 tokens at one time, and when you add multiple charts over here, so instead of going and searching for the specific meme coins again and again, you will have the differences chart displayed in front of you, and you can also size them according to your own choice, whether you want the charts to be big or small. So you can just view them over here in one interface, and you can see how is the meme coin performing right now, whether it is going up or down. And Dextools also integrate trading view, making it easy to chart trends, analyze data, and use indicators like EMAs, and you can set up alerts to track live trades and even execute trades directly through the platform. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.